Hey guys, welcome back to Creative Java Programming. In today's session, we are going to talk about what is local variables in Java, how we can access local variables. Let's start. What is local variables? These variables are created inside method and should be used only within created method. If we use outside created method, then it will give us error. So there is a class A. I am going to create here main method. Let's create variable integer id is equal to 10. So I am created this variable within the method. So it becomes local variable. Local variable. Let's print this local variable. SYSO. Control space bar enter. Local variables are created within the method and should be used only within created method. We cannot access outside method. So let's run the program and see the output. It's giving me output 10. If I am trying to access outside method, then it will give us error. How? Let's see. Create another method, public void test, and in this method try to access this variable. How? Let's see. SYSO. Control space bar enter id. See, here it's giving me error. Why? Because this is local variable. Because this is because id is local variable. Id is local variable, and local variable can be used within created method. It cannot be used outside created method. So let's create, this is non-static method. So let's create its object. A1 is equal to new A. Object created, and try to access this non-static method A1 dot test. This is giving me error. So let's remove this. Run the program, giving me output 10. Here create another variable integer x equal to 20. Let's print the output SYSO 20. 10. This is main method variable output, and this is test method output. Can I use this variable within this math method? Let's see. SYSO x. It's giving me error. Why? Because x here is local variable. Local variable. So local variable can be used within the created method only. To delete in Java in Eclipse, press Ctrl D and one line will be deleted. Ctrl Z output. Here space bar. This cursor is anywhere. I want to delete this whole line. So I will press Ctrl D. Just it. Okay. And can I use local variable without initialize? Let's see. Let's create another variable integer y, and I'm not initializing it. Let's print the output. Yes y yes keep giving me error. Why? Not initialized. Not initialized. First, here I have only declared variable, but I didn't initialize its value. So first declare its value, then use. So now error is gone. If we don't initialize, let's see one more chunk, but giving me error. But if I initialize this variable value 30, so it's giving me no error. No error. So without initializing local variables, if we are going to use, then it will give us error. That's all guys in today's session. Thanks for watching.